Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0756 pertains to an issue with the Shift Solenoid Valve B being in a stuck-off position on the Honda CRV models from 2011 to 2016. A shift solenoid is crucial for automatic transmissions as it controls the flow of transmission fluid, which enables gear shifting. When this solenoid becomes stuck off, it can lead to significant transmission performance issues, resulting in erratic shifting behavior or even a complete failure to shift. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, is set when the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system detects this electrical fault or operational failure. For accurate troubleshooting, one needs to first record all relevant freeze frame data and any snapshots through the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, before diving deeper into diagnostics. This provides a comprehensive view of the vehicle's condition before troubleshooting begins, allowing technicians to identify the root cause more effectively. The error code P0756 specifically indicates a problem with the Shift Solenoid Valve B, which is vital for the automatic transmission's operation. This valve is responsible for directing hydraulic fluid to different components in the transmission, thereby facilitating gear shifts. It is located within the transmission body and is engaged by electrical signals from the vehicle's computer system. When the solenoid valve is operational, it allows the fluid pressure to change, which is necessary for shifting gears. If the valve becomes stuck in the off position, the vehicle may experience poor performance and diminished responsiveness when changing gears. Understanding the role and location of this component is crucial, since any malfunction could lead to further complications in the vehicle's transmission system. Several factors can lead to the DTC P0756 code. An electrical failure can cause the Shift Solenoid Valve B to remain inactive. This could be due to a blown fuse or a short circuit within the wiring connected to the solenoid. Similarly, any issues with the wiring harness, such as fraying or disconnections, could prevent the solenoid from receiving the necessary signals to operate. Lastly, low quality or contaminated transmission fluid can impair the valve's function. If the transmission fluid is dirty or contains metal shavings, it might hinder the solenoid's operation, causing it to stick. Therefore, checking the transmission fluid quality and condition is imperative when diagnosing this code. Each of these possible causes must be systematically ruled out to accurately identify the root issue. When the DTC P0756 is triggered, drivers may experience several notable symptoms. Erratic shifting behavior is commonly reported, where the transmission may shift unpredictably or experience delays in shifting. Some vehicles may also encounter slipping gears, which is a serious condition that can lead to loss of power during driving. Additionally, warning lights on the dashboard, including the check engine light or the transmission indicator light, may illuminate, signaling that the vehicle's computer has detected a fault. These symptoms can escalate the longer the issue remains unaddressed, possibly leading to further damage to the transmission system. It is essential to pay attention to these symptoms, as they indicate that the vehicle requires immediate diagnostic and repair attention. The first step in troubleshooting the P0756 DTC involves checking the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, levels and condition. Begin by warming up the engine to reach its normal operating temperature. This ensures that the fluid is at the correct viscosity for accurate measurement. Once the engine is running and at temperature, check the ATF level using the dipstick, ensuring it is properly filled according to specifications. Additionally, inspect the area for any fluid leaks that could indicate a more severe transmission issue. If leaks are present, this could contribute to fluid loss and affect transmission performance. If the ATF check provides any indication of metal debris or excessive clutch material during the strainer inspection, the next steps may include replacing the transmission altogether. Step 2 focuses on testing the operational status of Shift Solenoid Valve B. Begin by turning the ignition switch to the on position while ensuring the engine is off. This prepares the vehicle's computer system for diagnostics without starting the engine. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any stored DTC codes, including P0756. After clearing the DTC, navigate to the Miscellaneous Test menu on the HDS and select the option to specifically check the operation of Shift Solenoid Valve B. Listen for a clicking sound during the operation test. If a clicking sound is indeed heard, this indicates that the solenoid valve is functioning correctly. If there's no sound, it suggests that the solenoid is faulty and needs replacement. Thereafter, verify the repair. In Step 3, the vehicle must undergo a test drive to verify the issue. It is essential to drive the vehicle with the shift lever positioned in the D gear to allow the transmission to shift through all 5 gears successfully. During this process, monitor the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, for the presence of the P0756 code in the DTC menu. If the HDS indicates a failed status during this monitoring, it means the failure is still present. At this point, further diagnosis may be needed, focusing on the shift valve B or potentially the main valve body or entire transmission. However, if the HDS reports a passed status, it suggests that there might have been an intermittent fault, meaning the system is currently operating correctly, and no further action is required unless other DTCs are flagged. After addressing the initial problems, repair verification is crucial to ensure that the solutions implemented have resolved the issue effectively. To initiate this process, turn the ignition key to the on-to position once more and clear any remaining DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Following the clearing process, test drive the vehicle again with the shift lever in the D position, allowing the transmission to shift through all gears. Monitor the OBD status for the P0756 code during this test drive. If the HDS reflects a passed status, it indicates successful repair and resolution of the issue. However, if it displays a failed status, further steps need to be taken since the problem remains unresolved. If it indicates not completed, it suggests that the test conditions haven't been met, necessitating another check. Preventive maintenance remains critical in prolonging the life of your vehicle's transmission and avoiding issues similar to DTC P0756. Regularly changing the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, based on the manufacturer's recommended schedule helps to ensure optimal fluid quality and functioning. Contaminated or degraded fluid can significantly hinder the performance of the shift solenoid, leading to complications in gear shifting. Additionally, routinely checking the integrity of the wiring associated with the shift solenoid and other components can ward off electrical failures. Being proactive in monitoring the vehicle's performance for any unusual shifting behavior can also serve as an early warning system for potential issues, allowing for timely maintenance before serious problems develop. Keeping an eye on these elements can save time and repair costs in the long run. In summary, understanding the DTC P0756, which indicates a stuck-off condition in Shift Solenoid Valve B, is essential for effective troubleshooting and repair. Recognizing the symptoms early, such as erratic shifting and warning lights, is crucial for addressing the issue promptly. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps allows technicians to methodically diagnose and rectify the fault effectively. Moreover, implementing regular preventive maintenance practices can significantly reduce the likelihood of future issues arising. By ensuring that the transmission fluid is in good condition, monitoring for fluid leaks, and maintaining the electrical integrity of the system, vehicle owners can enhance the reliability and performance of their Honda CRV transmission system. Following these guidelines will ensure cleaner performance and longevity of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.